Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my NOAA radio. I'm not quite sure why I have my antenna up, but it's up. Anyways, as you can see, it is 11:31 and there is an alarm on because here in about 29 minutes we are going to be running a monthly system test of the radio. We'll be doing both tests, the sound test and whoops, that is the other alarm. Here it is. We will be doing both the noise. Alright, not good at this. We will be both doing the tone and the voice, and we will do the display as well. So put this back on here, and let's see if we can get a better view with this. No, we don't. Okay. Anyways, we are going to do it here in about 28 minutes. So yeah, I'll come back when that happens. So we are back. It is about 11:58 here. And no one knows that I am doing this test. So, in case if you have an NOAA, I decided to put the antenna down. In case if you have an NOAA radio and you do not know how to do the test your own, you would go into menu. I don't know if it's up. No, it's not up. Click any button until you get to alert test, and then you would push enter. So we're going to wait until about 12 o'clock here, and so yeah, we are ready to do the test. So here we go. We're going to test the tone first. So here we go. That was extremely loud.